What is stock market? Stock market like big cave of magic rocks. Tribe say, this rock mean part of mammoth. Me no see mammoth, only dumb rock. But tribe believe. Caveman buy rock for 3 bones. Next caveman come. Give 5 bones for same rock. Price go up. Tribe cheer. Caveman yell. Me own mammoth toe. Toe, strange. Then other caveman want rock too. Give even more bones. Rock price go up. Tribe happy. Dance around fire. But when tribe scared, maybe mammoth sick, maybe run away. Nobody want rock. Everyone throw rock back. Price go down. Boom. Sad face. So stock market not about rock. Rock always dumb. It about tribe brain. Happy tribe rock high. Scared tribe rock fall down like coconut. And loud cavemen scream, buy, sell, all day. They look smart, but me think monkey. So remember, stock market like mammoth hunt. Sometimes big meat, sometimes empty belly. Smash bone button, join tribe, share with other cavemen.